Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get a new character on your keyboards on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just jump into the settings. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and I would like to show to you the way. You just need to go scrolling down until you found a general. And in this general you just need to scrolling down again until you found keyboard. And here we go, we already have the keyboard parts for do the settings, and after that you just need to take a look on the first boxes here, and then you just need to go click the keyboard part. And now to get a new characters means that we need to add the new keyboard, so just go click this part, and after that you just need to find the keyboard that you want to have. For example, I will let you go with the Arabic, and after that we need to click the type of the keyboard that we want. Now that I just need to go click done, and now we already have the new keyboard here. So let's take a look on the result. So let's go back into the home screen and access some notes, and after that let's create the new notes here. My bad. And after that we just need to change the keyboard. So previously I added an Arabic. To change the keyboard you just need to click this globe symbols until you got an Arabic. Here we go. Now we already have this Arabic keyboard. So yeah, that's the way how to get the characters on a keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find that this tutorial today is very useful for you, and see you for the next video.